Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify sales metrics with Google Analytics easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify sales metrics with Google Analytics, start by logging into your Google Analytics account. Select the website property you want to analyze from the dashboard. Navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Conversions. Then, choose e-commerce from the drop-down options. If you haven't enabled e-commerce tracking yet, go to Admin and select E-commerce Settings. Toggle on the Enable e-commerce feature and save your changes. Once e-commerce tracking is enabled, return to the Conversions section. Click on E-commerce Overview to access your sales data. Review the key metrics displayed, such as total revenue, conversion rate, and transactions. To dive deeper, click on Product Performance under the e-commerce section. Here, you can analyze sales by individual products to see which items are performing well. Remember to set a date range for your analysis using the date selector in the top right corner. You can also segment your data by various dimensions, such as traffic source or device type. To do this, click on Add Segment at the top of the report page. Choose predefined segments or create a custom segment to narrow down your analysis. Review the information in the detailed report to uncover insights into buyer behavior. Take note of any trends, such as peak sales periods or high-performing products. Lastly, export your data by clicking on the Export button located at the top of the report for further analysis. By following these steps, you can effectively verify and analyze your sales metrics using Google Analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.